We'll guide you through how to add Wix Store apps to enhance your online shop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix website dashboard. From there, look for the left-hand menu and click on the Apps option. This will take you to the Wix App Market, where you can explore various apps specifically designed to boost your store's performance. Now, within the App Market, you can use the search bar at the top to find store-related apps. Popular categories include payment solutions, shipping tools, and marketing enhancements. Once you find an app that suits your needs, click on it to open its details page. Here, you can read more about what the app does, check out user reviews, and see screenshots. When you're ready to install it, click the Add to Site button. The app will automatically integrate into your Wix store. After installation, most apps will require some setup. You can access the app's dashboard from your Wix dashboard by clicking on Apps again, then selecting the newly installed app. Follow any setup instructions provided by the app to customize it to your liking. This might include configuring settings like payment options or shipping parameters. Remember to save any changes before exiting. It's a good idea to visit your site after adding an app to see how it appears and functions from a customer's perspective. This ensures everything looks good and works as expected. If you encounter any issues or need further customization, the app's support resources or Wix support can be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.